Hey guys, this is giant 10.1-inch Android GPS navigation installed on Honda CR-V 2013. This is the newest update. After you update the head unit, you need to wait out Google Voice in the settings like the below steps show. Settings, tablet. You need to turn on this setting, access with voice match, voice model, retrieve voice model. OK Google. OK Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. OK Google. Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
OK Google. Open Google Map.
Opening Maps.
Spell screen function. The left side is video, the right side is map. Android Auto function. GPS navigation. Phone call. Music. CarPlay function. Message. Music. GPS navigation. Phone call.
你要打给谁？